Ubah Prestone tynsong myntri rangbah benrap ke sorkar jylla uloong bakaan Benami Kadei Kaba Khlaiñ bar ke Hnlc Kam Dei ban Shim kaan Halade. Ha kajuh kepor uloong bakani kaan kaladan ru ke jingpynbha ba jingpynklain ha ke tnad treikam ke sorkar kila peit kiba pynkhein ye kani ke act.
Benami Act is already in place. Even the amendment has been made. It is not toothless, it is truthful now. So my appeal to every concerned stakeholders again, I think please don't indulge yourself any activities which is against the law. Anything which is against the law, I would appeal, be it myself, be it anybody, let us do things as per the prescribed guidelines, prescribed norms, which is indicated in the law. Well, we do have different stages of administration. So, right from day one only, when this law is in place, we have already asked and trusted different stages of administration, government administration, to be vigilant and also to check if found they should be again booked